Friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve denied account on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click. Here in this page, you'll enter to first stop, and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app or can delete your account. So if it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.